Ask us today about our project management interactive clinics. These follow the Ask a Mentor sessions that we do on our YouTube channel, but they will be solving real-world project management challenges for your organisation and your project managers. So imagine in your organisation there's a montage of project meetings, dashboards, missed deadlines, frustrated stakeholders and project managers all facing tough decisions. Whilst every project faces challenges, things like stakeholders not being aligned, risks can be escalating, timelines are slipping, sometimes the solution is not another methodology or framework. It's access to the right expertise at the right time. Our workshops are focused 3-hour interactive sessions where you bring your project issues to the table and work directly with us, with our experienced project management professionals, to find practical solutions. In this case, it's myself, Suzanne Moore, and Margaret DeSantos, and we have got many decades of real-world experience actually delivering complex and sometimes high-profile projects, managing teams, and we know what sort of situations can occur. So from project recovery and stakeholder misalignment to delivery risks, governance concerns and team performance issues, no topic is off limits. Now, prior to the session, we work with you just to make sure that everything is understood and we've got some idea what the questions are. And then together we'll unpack the root causes, challenge assumptions and identify actionable strategies that we can implement or you can implement immediately. By using this Ask a Mentor focus session for your organisation, you'll gain these expert insights, strengthen your decision-making capability and that of your project managers, improve stakeholder engagement, reduce delivery risks, and expand your project management toolkit with proven real-world approaches. Whilst this seems like a big ask, most project issues are repairable, and we find at the clinic they are common. The complexity often comes in when they compound and you have people on board that are working in environments where they just have nowhere to turn. So we find with these sessions, the outcome by the end of the session is that you and your team will leave with greater clarity, fresh perspectives, and a personalised action plan to help improve project outcomes and delivery success. Bring your challenges, access the expert guidance, leave with solutions. Contact us now. We can't wait to solve these challenges. Have a great project day.